I ain't scared. This is just the van life.
Ah, this is so scary.
We're taking a break from the
camping.
woods.
Ooh, it's cold here. Oh wow, cool. So cold and so foggy, it's so weird. It was just 90 degrees in Napa. Tim is parking the car and it's time for us to take a little break from filming. Yes, yes, this one. Yes. Good. What do you think? Yes.
She doesn't care. She's like, this is exactly my style. This is exactly my style.
Cute.
She's like, seems kind of dated.
1, 2, the 14th floor. Yes. Yeah, hotel. Good.
There's smoke and fog and it's white outside. And we'll just keep going on this long day drive.
It's beautiful. It's really beautiful.
I can't see the ocean. Saddest thing today. Tim can't see the ocean.
Why? We're still filming. I'm over here picking my nose.
Whoa! My gosh! Cool! We can see the ocean. more things happen this week.
Well, that guy was not being careful.
You want to start in Korea?
Yeah. Oh, is that Korean?
Korea and then go to Asia? Go to India?
It's just so convenient right here. I'm glad we ran out of treats and need more treats.
Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be awesome.
This is perfect camper van food. Ooh. This is probably awesome.
I don't know if you've seen like some of I've seen some YouTubers sample the different Korean spicy noodles. Like some of these are so spicy you can't even eat.
Perfect.
So you should maybe try it. Oh, like maybe some of these, the hot chicken.
This sounds like the best thing I can do.
Yeah, try some of these.
Okay, cool. I think I should get 3 to be safe.
Okay. Oh, miso soup.
I'm the not hot spot.
That one's not hot.
What'd you find?
Want to do some sake?
All right, I found my tree.
Oh yeah?
There's a bunch of Vietnamese coffee over there.
Let's go find it.
I don't know, I'm overwhelmed right now. I'm really excited.
Oh yeah, you get 3 in one.
Do 3 in ones?
Yeah.
I mean, we don't have any coffee right now. It's not like we have the whole
Yeah, no, that's
filter
great.
set up.
All right, throw it
The
right
only
in.
thing is, look at this. It's not like we can carry around ice, otherwise this would be a go-to.
Oh yeah.
How good would that be? Yeah, let's get this.
Throw it in. I'm having a flashback. This is some like rice cake. I lived off of this on the motorbikes. It must be Chinese. Just sitting there in a ditch eating zoo jellies and rice cakes. If yesterday was China, today is Korea, Vietnam, and India.
And then a large chicken pho. Do you do chicken spring rolls? Yes, please. That's it? Awesome, thank you. 15 minutes.
Yes.
Planning on getting fat. I'm cheating before we do our huge haul and talk about all the garbage we just bought, but look at these. Everybody understands how good that's gonna be. Look how happy they are. They're in a forest.
What does that taste like?
It tastes like, do you remember those kangaroo, or not kangaroo, they were like koala things?
Dunkaroos!
Yeah, but like, it tastes like Dunkaroos how you remember versus how they probably taste. I think we're overly excited about all the different food we can order out here. Where we are in Florida, it's easy to get pizza or a hamburger and fries, but as far as like some of the more authentic like Asian food and stuff, we're just so pumped. It's been a long time.
Oh, they have Thai iced. Oh, avocado smoothie.
When I picked this up, she said, what sauces? I said, all the sauces. Ugh!
Ooh, give us all the sauces. Cool.
I can't believe I'm salivating over looking at a plastic bag. Our drinks are gonna be in it.
Okay.
I don't get it. Am I a car hop right now?
Yeah.
I feel like I work at Sonic. Especially since I'm giving you a nice frosty drink. Here's a lychee with some bobas.
Oh, he's so excited.
I know you are.
So
That means
good.
you get the big straw
Careful,
pepper, like some
pepper.
too.
No.
Look at me though. I get a Vietnamese iced coffee, which this is probably
Wow.
gonna destroy my tummy, but it's gonna be worth it.
That's a huge Vietnamese iced coffee. That's like 4 Vietnamese iced coffees. And if you haven't had Vietnamese coffee, oof, it's time.
Are there enough bobas in there?
See, this looks like it would taste like coconut or pina colada or something. But the lychee isn't so sweet, and it's pretty fruity in the sense of like a berry almost kind of taste. And the bopas are little, it's like tapioca, isn't it? It's just so good.
Look at all these little warriors.
Are they doing Tai Chi or something?
What? No, they're doing, I think it's Taekwondo.
Oh yeah, maybe there's a little Taekwondo place in the strip mall or something.
Yeah, it's Taekwondo. That's so cool. Like, people are
right there.
adapting. We were going to take our little Vietnamese feast down onto the beach until we realized that we were kind of romanticizing the idea of eating soup on a beach as the wind whips sand into your soup. So we're just going to eat it in the van.
Van soup. Also, pho is like the worst thing to get takeout, but most of the restaurants here are takeout only. And we have a dog. This is one of our favorite foods, which if you've been watching us for a while, you probably already know that. And definitely if you follow us on Instagram, because we eat it all the time. This is pho. It's getting a lot more popular, so you probably have a Vietnamese restaurant somewhere near you. You can try if you haven't had it. Yeah, for you. It is a Vietnamese soup. There are different styles. You could get like a chicken pho, beef, or sometimes shrimp or pork.
How do you pronounce those?
Pho.
Ga?
Pho ga is the chicken. And then when they make it, they put all the things in, like the noodles, and then the meat, and then not the chicken, but then they would pour the boiling broth on top, and that would cook the beef. So sometimes you get very like nicely medium rare beef on top if you prefer it that way. So we have the chicken pho right now. Takeout is a little bit more complicated, but if you were to order it at a restaurant in the States or in Vietnam, then it usually comes with a side of a whole bunch of fun herbs like this. This is likely Thai basil, and bean sprouts, jalapenos that you can put in to let the broth soak in, and lime. So you kind of make it to your own taste. Then what I can't even believe I've never seen in a Vietnamese takeout is usually on the table. There's also Hoisin Sauce, which is that syrupy consistency, darker sauce. Have you ever seen a Sriracha Go packet for all of your Sriracha on the go needs? And then, oh my gosh, these are homemade chili flake, like an oil, a chili oil.
Like a red chili sauce, yeah.
Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering so much.
I know.
So you kind of make the pho soup to your liking. It is not spicy by nature, but then you spice it up to your liking with all of this. So that's pho. Another really great thing to order at Vietnamese restaurants is spring rolls. Sometimes these are called like a fresh spring roll, so I'm sure you're familiar with egg rolls. They have the fried egg rolls as well, but the fresh spring rolls come and they're wrapped in rice paper like this, which is this transparent paper. These are stuck together right now. And they usually have an herb, either cilantro or basil inside, lettuce, the meat of your choice, typically shrimp, but these are chicken, and then rice vermicelli noodles. Then you dip them into a creamy peanut sauce. Again, not spicy, but delicious and healthy. And then all of these things are gluten-free if you have that dietary need, because they're all made of rice. So don't be intimidated to go out and try some pho if you haven't had it yet. I will say that it always comes in the most ginormous order. So Tim and I are just sharing one order for $7, and it's all of this soup. It will probably fill up maybe like 4 bowls this size. And also if you go to a restaurant, that's part of the appeal. It comes and it's just like this huge almost pot. So it's a good dish if you're hungry and hungover. It's a really good dish if you're hungover.
First, the chef's kiss. Oh.
Nice, nice, nice.
Pepper likes rice and noodles, so rice noodles is...
A double whammy.
Here's the noodle bandit.
She feels bad.
She is just sort of bad. She's gonna boof in here. Oop, here comes another dog, Pepper. Get your boofer ready. Bellissima. Molto bene. Just take it for a little bath. Look at this, just playing in the old peanut sauce. That tastes like dessert or something. Just the peanut sauce is so sweet.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's so good. Maybe it is better with shrimp. Not sure why I got it with chicken.
I know, I was, yeah, okay.
You're mad about it too?
Yeah.
You know, live and learn. Next time, we'll get on the shrimp boat.
Yeah, I like it better with shrimp. If visiting your nearest Vietnamese restaurant is a little out of your comfort zone, or if you don't have access, we have a whole international products favorites Amazon list that we'll link below. And there is instant pho, kind of like a ramen noodle packet that we've found on Amazon. That's pretty good. So you can doctor it up with your own meat of your choice and some herbs and a lime, and then it's real fancy.
Who doesn't have sriracha sitting in their fridge too?
Pepper.
This is called the post-pho walk. It's after you've eaten entirely too much and just want to take a nap.
We didn't even come close to finishing that food, and it was just one order. Food time, show and tell, show and tell. Tim, what do you have for us?
My first treat did not make it back to the campsite. So, my second treat is this. It is...
Oh wait, chocolate bowl.
Yeah, chocolate. It's like a big Rolo chocolate
Would you
cake.
please demonstrate to the camera like a makeup?
Oh yeah. Chocolate bomb. It looks nice and fluffy. I'm not going to eat this first because it's going to be a delicious dessert for whatever I eat.
Coming in at a whopping $1.79.
What a bargain.
My first treat, since you can see it here on the table, are these small Asian bananas. They have a different name. What are they called?
Bananitas?
Nope, but these here we're calling bananitas. These, do you want to share one?
Sure.
Are sweeter than the regular bananas that we have here in the States. Tough to open, but these are the only bananas that we ever found anywhere in Asia. No, I can't eat all this here.
Oh.
No, this is much too much. And
They were
look the
difficult
same.
to open because they're not quite right.
Yeah, that's true too. They look the same, they taste different.
They're
And
sweet.
we never saw those large bananas that we have here in the States.
Bananitas.
So we like these because of how they taste. These are actually kind of pretty large bananitas for what we're used to seeing. Sometimes they're even more chiquita banana. Jim, your second treat, please.
Rice wine. Kuksun Bang. Rice wine.
Popular in Korea.
Is it? What
This
were we
is-
drinking there? Like soju?
Okay, I think it's called soju, right? It's like well, that's kind of like a beer-ish.
That was like, okay, the soju drinking was you'd order your drinks and then have that bottle. So it'd be like you'd be drinking your normal drinks
Oh,
and
right.
then you had your side bottle. And I liked it.
Which is
It
a
was
rice
very
liqueur, I'm
serious,
pretty
yeah.
sure, which is what this is, and we're going to sample this
This is
tonight.
rice wine, not rice liquor.
Oh,
so
we're
it's
gonna say
probably like less. Yeah, it's only
$2.99 for the
6%.
whole bottle. You're opening it now.
Sure. Oh, we were saving this for tonight. It'll just make the video better. It's delicious.
It's 10 a.m.
We're camping. Different rules.
Oh, this is wonderful. This, I hope I can drink that, shoot.
Here, I'll drink it.
It looks
for
gluten-free to me. It's good. It has a creamy texture, which soju does not, so I don't think that's soju. But right
It's
here,
not
this is called a
soju.
kuksong.
You. The good news is the comments will explain everything.
Yeah.
Somebody in the
Goodness is-
comments will explain
If
it.
you actually want to learn about any of this, go check out all the ways that we were wrong in this video
All
down
right.
below. The second treat, coming in at a whopping $2.99. I had to get on the bandwagon and buy my K-pop cold brew. Do I enjoy cold brew? No, I'm not even much of a coffee drinker, but once I saw this K-pop star on a cold brew,
It's a member of the
wait,
band
it says
BTS.
hot brew.
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. Wait, is hot brew a trendy thing in the
It's
States?
hot brew when BTS is on it.
Tim, my next salty snack I'd like to present you with are lobster crackers.
Those look like they've been opened already.
Shh. It's camera magic. For the inexpensive price of $1.39, you can enjoy some lobster crackers. Now, Tim, does this sound like a strange snack to you?
I just can't believe lobster crackers are such a bargain.
This is a hot deal. Now, I remember Thai restaurants used to serve these in the States. They're very fluffy, air pockets in there, and what makes them lobster flavored? Well, it is a hint of lobster, but it's not very seafoody. Some of the seafood tastes in some Asian snacks are so overpowering, like fried prawns that you can sprinkle on things. Tastes like the ocean. But this is just kind of like a really nice, subtly spicy, airy snack.
The good thing is you could resell these as prawn crackers or fish crackers and nobody would know. It tastes of the sea.
You didn't even have to pay extra for this lobster.
That's a real lobster.
Now, if you need to wash down your salty snacks, a cold chilled green tea is not something very foreign to us, of course. I like that these don't have any sugar added, but what I haven't seen, which looked fun, was a coconut milk drink, and I got coffee flavored. They had other types.
Does that have bobas?
Flavors. Something's in there.
Little coconuts, I bet.
Floating. Oh, I bet these are little floating coconut pieces because you've seen those, the coconut jellies in some kind of little like gelatin snack desserts in Asian food stores. You're gonna have to help me with that. Thank you. Okay. Cheers to that.
Oh, cheers.
You just keep drinking that. Lots of milk jellies and lots of sugar. So it's great.
Speaking of sugar, our instant 3-in-1s, Vietnamese coffee, despite how much sugar is in these, somehow still not that sweet. But just, I really love this stuff. It's so good.
Okay, right, so this is an instant coffee. The 3-in-1 means that it's milk, cream, and sugar. If you're interested in something like this, we would recommend the Nescafe 3-in-1s. This, despite being a Vietnamese coffee brand, which Vietnamese coffee is so good, this isn't really doing it.
It's not good, no.
It's a little
But
bitter.
then again, we're not traveling around with the little filters and a thing of condensed milk, so you take what you can get.
Right. So, a thumbs down on the Highlands Coffee 3-in-1.
Wow, harsh judgment today. We'll still drink all of these.
Are you ready to enjoy your dessert, Tim? I'm ready to enjoy my dessert.
I am.
I spoke about these in another video before in a Best International Food Amazon finds. I'll link that below because you can order these all to your doorstep. These Japanese candies are just so flavorful. I love these. And you can find these in World Market as well as Amazon, and then in these fun specialty stores that we were just in. Could it have been too much rice wine? We did forget the sake. At $4.99, this was just one sake on the shelf that we saw out of multiple. You can find this at your local sushi place, but we're gonna definitely enjoy this later because this is a little too much for the morning. Welcome back. This is the Tim Blind Noodle Spicy Taste Test. I'm your host, DJ Finn. I will not be participating because I am gluten intolerant and cannot eat these noodles. But I will, if you'd like to send yourself, sir. Be responsible for him not being able to see. I'm not doing a very good job already.
No, I'm also wondering why you're a DJ doing this.
Well, I'm wondering what
Make sure
level...
you tie it so it pushes my ears. You are the worst at this.
We'll talk a minute. Okay, how does this look?
Great.
Okay, we're gonna speed this up here.
Okay, yeah, let's speed this. This is supposed to be 30 seconds.
Tim will be given one
Noodles.
utensil. Okay, you open those up.
Okay.
I will present the camera with today's first noodle option. Tim, I'm gonna direct you to where you will be consuming the noodle. I don't want you to touch it because the bowls are different sizes.
Sure.
Okay, right now I'm showing the camera what you're going to be sampling for us first.
Okay. Let's do this. I'm ready. I'm hungry.
The majority of the information that we have here in English is this. Okay, I would like to show the interior. This is what Tim will be sampling.
Is it yummy?
Okay, I'm going to use your utensils
Oh, I'm gonna get fed like a baby.
to stir the product, and now I'm going to take your hand. You can place it here. Okay, now you can use them.
Okay. Do you have noodle?
You do have noodle, yep.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Mindful the jobs.
It's pretty good.
Okay, give us a spice level on a 1 to 10 scale, please.
Like vanilla to like I want to cry my eyes out, kind of like a 4.5.
Okay. Could you relate it to other things that are spicy?
Just it's like a mild pepper. It's not that spicy, but it's flavorful. It's really nice. Okay, next.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat the rest of that for sure.
Okay, good. This
I'm really excited about that.
Okay, well, I'm gonna put something on it so that it stays warm.
Okay.
The next thing.
That was really good.
Good. Next thing you'll be eating is this. This is sample 2. That currently now in front of you. This one looks like it could stain your clothes, so don't
Okay, I'm
get
gonna be
this
doing
on
a
yourself.
fierce lean.
Yeah. A little bit closer to you. Yeah.
This is only like a 4.5 or 5 too. I'm gonna guess
On
this
a
is
spicy level?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
gonna guess this is like the seafood, a taste of the ocean right now.
Oh,
But
okay.
I could be completely wrong. But that's nice if it's a blind taste test, that it doesn't just taste like chicken or something else.
Yeah, okay. Does it taste like fishy or does it taste nice?
It tastes pretty nice. I thought it was gonna be a gross, and I could be wrong. This could not be the fish one, but it tastes like good. Like I'll eat this too.
Oh.
I'm gonna eat all these noodles so far.
Okay.
Oh.
All right, well now we're just watching you eat lunch.
Okay, not bone.
Yep. This is an example of the third
Okay.
noodle. Okay, if you put your hand out, I'm gonna give you your utensils
Okay.
and the third and final taster. That was a lot. Quick, go.
Wow. I'm very good. Whoa. This is spicy. This isn't, I want to, well, it's gonna get there. Can I have some rice wine? Okay, so if the other ones are 5s, this is like a 7.5. This is pretty spicy, but it's like that cheap spicy where I feel like it's just burning without being very flavorful.
Oh, okay.
The aftertaste is woo. Okay, I'm gonna go on just these. 1 was the best, 3, and then 2, because I don't like seafood, but.
Oh.
Wow, that's really hot.
Can you guess which one this one is, or do you not know which?
I don't
all
remember.
Of the things? Yeah.
I'm gonna eat this too, though.
All right, you can remove your blindfold.
Ah. Did I get the seafood one right? This
Yeah, and this is the hot chicken.
This is.
Here, have some of my miso soup.
That might. That's really hot.
Maybe take a break and not continue eating it.
No, it's really good.
Oh, okay.
I'm not gonna finish that one.
Thank you for joining us on this interestingly unique and different episode this week. All of our favorite international food products that are available on Amazon is linked below, and we hope you join us next week where we start heading south on the Pacific Coast Highway.